Welcome to Pantechelearning. Thank you for watching our video. If you like this video, kindly click on the like button and share the video to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Now, let us go for the next one, auto cluster. Previously, everyone might have seen that different cluster like k-means. Through k-means, we will be able to cluster the entire image based on the clustering value and the respective image area. Now it has automatically clustered, and the fine thing is everything it is clustered in a good manner. So here we can see that if you show binary means you won't be able to see that respective coins, the area it will be able to see. And finally we are just going with creating mask as find circles. Since we have provided the circles itself, there are chances to find. The only thing is we have to identify the diameter of it. So diameters we have to mention, but here 4 coins are in 4 different types, but we have a ruler. So by selecting the ruler, provide a start point to end point. So 68.03 pixels, 68.01, 65.0, 62. So these are the number of diameters which we will be able to get. So almost everything from 60 only. So minimum diameter we can keep as 60 and 62. That is the calculation whatever we have received. Number of circles, it must be 4. Foreground polarity must be dark or bright, whatever we can select. We can select it as bright. Sensitivity is same, no need to change. Now we can click on find circles. It's not able to get. Let us keep the old data. So for this image, this find circles is not applicable. The reason is all the image masking area, it has been changed up into this places. So this place, just try reducing the sensitivity. No, not at all, it is accepting. So therefore we are cancelling it. Now I am just again going to the threshold, the same methods, and creating the mask. Now from that I am just going to refine the mask. So inside this, here I have a clear borders, fill holes, invert mask, morphology. So first let us start with morphology. Onto that morphology, here we have to select what type of operation it is. Dilate the mask, erode the mask, open the mask, close the mask. So here we can just dilate the mask over there. So these are the particular mask area. Now from that I have to remove that area wherever the masking has been done. So let us show on binary. So binary, it is not able to get all that complete data. Now I am going to apply it. So those areas are known as the dilated mask. Then the next thing is we can erode the mask. The same values, no changes, apply. Then open mask, apply, close the mask. Okay, so this and all only we can say it is inside the masking area. Now within this I can apply the active contours. So 100 iterations, features are included. From that we have to evolve the area of contour. So for 100 iterations it is getting bigger, and the good thing is it has not filled the entire image, only the part of the image it has been able to fill. So now let us apply this. If you show binary, the same thing. Now the mask has been entirely applied. So the next thing which we are going to see, it is clear borders. So the borders and all automatically will be cleared. So for this image there is no much borders. The next thing is fill holes. So wherever the circles and the empty data are there, in that positions the holes will be filled up. Same thing for the threshold. The next is invert the masking. So the masking will be oppositely applied. Now we can see the circles and the rest of the area has been masked as the layer. So this and all can be exported, or we can also generate the function. If we click on export images, the final segmentation mask image, what and all should be changed to the workspace. So into the workspace only it will be imported with the respective name. So in this way only we can create a mask as well as refine a mask. Now the same value we have to see for the other kind of maskings. So for graph cut, same thing. Once again I am drawing. We have to provide the background. So now I am just applying it to create the mask. From that, if I apply the morphology for a road, any one application we can see and apply it. The same thing if we just go for active contours, evolve it. Here also the same range which is applied. There is no much difference over here. So there is no need of checking it in the further way. So everything has the same value. Now for the next thing is we have to check for the local graph cut. So how that local graph cut is applied? Yes, here we have to apply the ROI. Since if you are just using, it will be providing that respective instructions. Draw an ROI for complete object. Mark the areas for background and foreground. So finally we can select that respective object over here. First we have to draw the ROI. So make it even. Okay, so now it is correctly marked. So this is one of the foreground. Now the same thing we have to draw the ROI. First let us see for this show binary. Only one thing it is being selected. Now we can erase everything, clear all the markings. Now we can select everything over here. Now from this we are going to select the foreground. So this will be the foreground, this will be the foreground, this will be the foreground, this one also will be the foreground. Now if we go for the background part, now we can apply it. So only the 4 objects it is able to recognize and collect the functions. This is known as the local graph cut. And now we can just close it. Now from this flood filling, so if we just provide the fill like how we do it in the paintings only, the same way. Already the features and the fillings are done, so there is nothing to do. It shows binary also the same way only. Next thing, draw ROIs. So we can draw any types of ROI over here. So from that, here I am going to take freehand. So freehand means we can draw with our hand itself. If you want means we can just reduce it how much ever we want. Now similarly the other one. Okay. So hereby I am selecting the same portion. So now 4 coins has been selected. So the binary, yes, wonderfully selected. Now we can apply it. So this is another kind of masking. Like this we can use any type of shapes for ROI purpose. So that's it for the images. Thank you for watching our video. If you like this video, kindly click on the like button and share the video to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.